From the Canva homepage, navigate to Apps. Search Mailjet and select the Mailjet option. From here, you can use the Mailjet integration with a new design or an existing design. Once your design is ready, select Share, then See More. Navigate to find the Mailjet option. First select Login, and then select Connect. You'll be asked to enter your Mailjet API key and secret key. You can find this information in the Mailjet settings under API keys. If you don't know your secret key, you can reset it. Just note that resetting your API credentials may break any existing API connections you previously connected. Once you have your API and secret key, copy and paste them directly into the Canva authorization window and select Connect Account. After the authorization is successful, you're ready to publish your Canva designs directly to your Mailjet account.